In this video, we'll discuss the Scikit-Learn data preprocessing function using UnifyML SQL. We'll run the data preprocessing algorithm with a UnifyML query. Here, we demonstrate the Scikit-Learn data preprocessing using UnifyML SQL. Let's go over the simple Scikit-Learn data preprocessing function. Scikit-Learn data preprocessing involves specifying the input table and input columns. The data cleaning process has four methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill. You can save the table to the cache in Parquet format. Data preprocessing prepares your data by applying cleaning and scaling methods. You can use this preprocessed data in your UnifyML functions to improve model performance and accuracy. There are a few additional parameters for the Scikit-Learn data preprocessing function, which you can explore in the UnifyML documentation. Input columns. Specify columns to cache. Input cache ID. If your data is already cached, use the input cache ID instead of the input table. Partition column. Define the column for partitioning. Input data types. Specify the new data types if needed. Parallelism. Set parallel processing options. Number partitions. Define the number of partitions. Data cleaning. Choose from the four cleaning methods: remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, fill. For the fill method, use it to fill null values or modify data values. Data scaling. Use MinMax scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, or binarizer. For MinMax scaler, specify the minimum and maximum values. You can also choose to save the processed data to a database or CSV. If you want to overwrite an existing table, use the Overwrite Output Table option. You can also specify the number of bytes per chunk. These are the input arguments for Scikit-Learn data preprocessing. Adjust them based on your data requirements. Run the query, and it will execute on the UnifyML server. The output will show the preprocessed data with applied cleaning methods, like removing rows and duplicates. This way, you can apply any available methods in UnifyML to preprocess your data, cache it, and use it in your functions for improved performance and accuracy. Thank you for watching this video.